Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create zoom transition in CapCut. So first you need to add your clips, then add keyframes at the start, in the middle, and also at the end of each clip. Okay, after you add keyframes, you need to go to the second keyframes and then zoom the clip a bit. And on the last keyframe, zoom it a bit more. Okay, and do this for every clips. Okay, after that, go in between the first and second keyframes and then go to graphs, then select the ease out one, and then for the last two keyframes, select ease in one. Okay, do this for every clip. And you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's how you can create a zoom transition in CapCut. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to click like, thanks, subscribe, and also comment. Bye.